Hello everyone. So I'm Nidhi Samartha and I'm going to brief you through the chat GPT which I have created by the name JavaConda. So it's a friendly bot which helps the user to learn the concepts of Java and Python. If you ask the bot outside the topic, non-relevant topics like anything outside the subject of Python Java, the bot gives an error. It helps the users to learn about the concepts of Java and Conda, Java and Python. So the word Java and Java Conda is derived from the word for the Java and Python bot. It helps the user to learn the basic concepts. It helps the users to understand a quiz and helps with the error in the program. It also helps with the real world projects. So I'll brief you through how the bot works. So this is a name of the bot, which is JavaConda. So JavaConda is a Python and Java Python coding buddy. So it helps a user to debug a problem, uh, get the answer to the solution of the problem which they are facing. It helps the user to have a coding challenge, helps with the Java and Python programming question, and it also helps in understanding the OOPS concept. Let's ask him um, let's ask him. Uh, mm, so as I said, let's ask like what is polymorphism? Let's say, yeah, what is polymorphism? So basically, this is a concept in Java and Python. It's a OOP concept. So yeah, as I said, polymorphism is a great concept in OOPs. So it explained me the scene. It is also explained me the Java code. And now it will explain there are two types of polymorphism, runtime polymorphism, which is known as method overriding, and we have method overloading. So yeah, yeah, overriding and overloading. Yeah. So let's ask him. Give me a code in Python. What is C? So it gave. So we'll prepare for the second question. Let's ask him the core question and answer mode, like what are the what are the differences between Java and Python? Sorry for it gives us the syntax and readability, and it also gives a typing and performance. It's a big answers, and you can also ask like it will help you with all the concepts like performance of Python and Java, execution of Java and Python, use cases, library, and so on. So I'm just stopping this in the middle because it will be a big answer. I have to show many more concepts. So it also gives the summary table as well. I'm stopping here. So let's ask him something like solve a coding problem problem step no let's say solve a Fibonacci sequence problem in Python step by step. So it will guide you step by step how to write the Fibonacci sequence problem step by step. So see, so it's helping like how to write that problem in Python step by step. So it's saying step one is like understand the Fibonacci sequence, define the problem, and then it says this. Will give method one. It will approach give you three many different methods to solve a simple problem. So see, now it's giving the recursive approach. Now let's asking like real world problems, like how is let's say I'm stopping this in middle because it's give so you might have given a so it's giving you it's explaining and it's also give the summary like comparison of approaches. I'm stopping this in middle. Yes, it's done. So let's ask in real world connection. Let's say how is Python used in AI and Java in Android development? Let's ask. This is the real world. Oh, please ignore my. So, um, so it will say like Python. How is Python used in AI? And so this is how I am. I'm going to stop every question in middle because it will take a long time to answer, and I have limited time. I mean, I don't want to. I want to show many other features as well, so I'm just going to stop in middle. Um, So now let's ask if something like critical thinking and reflection. Like let's now, since it gives summary, we'll just type like what are the trade-offs of using of sorry, like my typing of using Java versus Python in large scale web application. Now I'm just, asking him critical thinking and reflection questions. Let's see what it answers. Does it answer or not? Obviously, it should answer. See, correct question. So he's now answering in critical thinking way. So in Java and this. So let's ask him like now I'm stopping in middle. So now ask him generate a 5 question MCQ on Java and Python. Let's see. So it gives you all the MCQs along with the answers. We just say generated 5 question MCQ on Java and Python, but we're giving the answer as well. So yeah. Let's now ask fill the answer finish. Like let's say, give me a graph. Uh, give me a data graph showing Java and Python uses over last 5 years. Let's say last 2 years. See, now it gives all the questions and answer of the MCQ. Let's ask him related to graph. Um, so it's giving all the past 2 years data. So basically this is what I have created. Let's ask him something outside the topic. Like let's ask let's ask about who is Shah Rukh Khan. I hope it doesn't answer. Do I have trained him? Uh well, so this is what is it? And so I haven't trained him, but you can train the bot accordingly. And so what I covered here is like what is my bot about, what is JavaConda, and how's the problem being solved. I asked him the questions of quiz and the real world examples and a graph. Um, okay. So I think I am didn't save the changes. So what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna stop the sharing. I'm going to make the changes in the my custom GPT and train him like unrelated topics. Let me save it and make the changes and show you. Uh, I'll just take another 2 minutes and go. Almost done. Cool. Let me check it. Cool. So there was some error in doing the, so this is JavaConda. Like, let's say I asked him, what is football? Oh, ignore my typing mistake. So this is only like, let's say, oops in Java. Only explain, we explain polymorphism, right? So let's say encapsulation. So yeah. So if I say, let's say, now let's ask like, what is malloc? So it won't answer because malloc is the concept in C. C. What concept is malloc in C? So malloc is a topic and a subtopic which is used in C++ or C programming language. I'm not sure, but either of the those. Let's ask him what is data. So this is what is it. So so this is the bot which I have customized and it's simple. So I'm sorry for the issue you were facing and the wrong answer you were facing when typing unrelated topic outside Python and Java. But there was some update changes. I think the update wasn't safe. So I made changes and I showed you if you ask unrelated question, how the GPT answers. So it just asks, oh, like, sorry, this topic is out of the relevant topic. Ask me only about Java and Python. So this is how I created the bot. Thank you. Hope you liked the tutorial like of how my JavaConda works, and later I'll show you how I created this chat bot. So hope you understood it, and thank you. Keep watching and see you soon with another topic and another good interesting topic. Let me know in the comments how was it. Thank you.